Yo! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's video we're going to go over the electrical stuff I did on the car during this past week here and the plans for the roll cage. So stay tuned. Alright, so during this week I didn't get to record much. I think you guys got a video on Monday or something like that. But I have been working out here, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys can see that I try to post daily on there. But so today we're gonna talk about the electrical stuff I did and the future plans for the roll cage. So let's go on and begin, guys. This is what's going on here. So I don't know if you guys remember from the last video the big mess of wires that we had here. Let me get this light on. So there was a huge mess of wires under here. Had ground wires kind of all over the place. Now you guys got to keep in mind that this harness here, the body harness and the engine harness, is from a 92 Integra DA. So everything is a lot longer because this car is a smaller car than the Integra DA, and so there's a lot of extra wires going on here. I did try to eliminate what I could over the years, but now I guess we're kind of like really fine-tuning it. But this is how it's looking now. I removed my old switch panel that used to be here, and now my switches are all going to be on this side here. So one spot. My nitrous stuff I want to keep down here, so I'm probably going to put two more switches here, because I do have, there's one right here that needs to go here, and I think this is the arming switch, which I might put a different connector, like a different switch to these wires, something with a guard on it. But anyway, so the nitrous stuff will be down here, all my other stuff will be up here. So we got like fuel, air fuel ratio, my gauge there, the tachometer, you know, all the other accessories and stuff all mounted up here in one spot. I do want to get a gas gauge from my fuel cell. This is going to come out because I don't have the rest of the connector for this to run into the engine. I have one here already, so there's no point having two. So this one's going to come out, and I'm probably just going to put my fuel gauge here. All the stock fuel lines, the metal lines, I cut that right here. Later on I am going to cut it. I'm going to take it out actually from the firewall and stuff, pull everything through, but don't need that. I ordered a rollover valve for the fuel cell in the back. I got one switch over here, the fuel pump switch I need to wire in, so I just have to connect that. That's easy. I got two ground wires up here that I need to ground off, easy. And then I want to cover all of this right here, all of these wires. I mean, it's like the fuse box, main relay, some sort of I don't know what relay this is, but all that's got to get covered up. So what I'm going to do is, I got this here piece of cardboard, and I'm going to make a template, something that probably comes off of here and then down a little bit, that I can mount to there. Probably about maybe this high, I don't know. You know, keep it as high as like the steering mount here, and then tee it like that, angle it off down there and bolt it in or something. That way I'm trying to make it look clean. The wires are already looking good. Alright, so guys, for the update on the roll cage, or roll bar I should say, because that's technically what it is, it's a roll bar. It did come in, but it's at home. I don't have it here just because I don't have a lot of space here, and next week we're going to be welding it into the car. I already talked to my dad. So I'll have to get a U-Haul trailer and get the car ready to go up on there. Now, we did have an issue with the brake calipers before, so the passenger side brake caliper is actually seized up, and that's the reason why I don't remember how many videos ago it was, maybe like 10 or 12 videos ago, I couldn't stop the car. Well, there was air in the driver's side line, and then the passenger side was completely seized open. So really weird. So I have to replace that, get the U-Haul trailer, put my tow hitch back on the car, and trailer it over to my dad's house one of these nights, and then we'll probably begin working on it the next day. It's still up in the air. I don't know if we're going to TIG weld it or MIG weld it. MIG welding would be a lot easier, and it's just as strong. The TIG welding will look cleaner. I'll leave it up to my dad because, you know, he is just doing this for me, you know, like he doesn't want any money out of it. But, you know, so whatever's easier on him, I'll be happy with. I trust his welds and his fabrication skills. So that's the update with that, guys. So next week we'll be doing a video on that, probably just like some update stuff. It just takes so long to record and work at the same time, so we'll play it by ear and kind of just see how it goes. So you guys, just wanted to give you guys an update on the progress of the car. If you guys know where we're at, stay tuned for the next video.